According to a new report from France, Apple will stop selling the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, and iPhone SE in the EU. The devices will be removed from Apple's online and offline stores by December 28. Apple-authorized retailers in the EU will be able to keep selling these iPhones until their remaining inventory is depleted. This is done in order to comply with an EU regulation which states that newly sold smartphones with wired charging have to use USB-C, and, as you may have guessed already, the three aforementioned iPhones are the last ones still on sale in the EU at the moment that have the Lightning port instead. Apple will also stop selling other products featuring the Lightning port, like the Magic Keyboard without Touch ID. Interestingly, while the UK left the EU in 2020, Apple will remove the Lightning donning products from Northern Ireland, even if that's part of the UK. The iPhones in question will be removed from Switzerland as well for the same reason, and even sooner, by December 20th. The information in this report allegedly comes from details Apple has shared with its relevant internal teams. If Apple had done things the way it usually does, then the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus would have been removed from EU markets next September. The iPhone SE is due to be replaced by a newer and better model next year anyway, so this thankfully isn't a huge loss.